Alright guys, it's Smart Tech here once again and welcome to another video. Here's how you can watch Netflix and Apple TV for free. To do this, open any browser of your choice and then you type in the address bar hdo.app and then you search for it. If you're an Android user, you download using the first link. If you're an Apple user, you download using the second link. So I'm an Android user, so I'll just go ahead and then tap on the first one, and then you'll be asked whether you want to download, and then you tap on download over here. I've already downloaded it, so I'll just go back and then go to my downloads and then I'll install it from there. So after installing the app, you just tap on it and then you install. So we wait while the app installs. So our app has finished installing, so we'll go ahead and then open it from here. So you give it the necessary permissions. So you select the language in which you want to use the app. So I'll just go ahead and select English. So here you can watch different type of movies over here for free. The most important thing here is you can also watch Netflix, Apple TV, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus and other amazing streaming services here for free. Paramount Plus as well. We also have Marvel Studios, Pixar and other amazing streaming services here. So let's just enter Netflix and see. We have different type of Netflix movies here you can also watch. We also have the most popular Man vs. Bee by Mr. Bean. You can also watch it here and then so many much more. So we have all the episodes available here just for free. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Till we meet, I'm out.